Hello everyone, this is Kyle. I'm standing in front of my window here and looking at the first real snowfall of the end of 2010, starting off the month of December in Hagerstown. It's really something else though. It was really coming down here a few minutes ago, and it's laying, so that's really nice. The weatherman said it was going to be rain and then change over to snow, so the way this looks, we might have snow all through the night. And we could really be in for a treat tomorrow. Lots of snow. That'd be nice. And this might interfere with my coin collecting, but I'm going to try to make it to the banks today before it really gets bad, to get some more half dollars so I can check through those. Today, before I stop by my job at work, I battled a snowstorm to get these halves. Yeah. And this is one here. As you're probably thinking, huh? What? Why are you showing this? Well, after I got the halves, I opened one on my break at work. Let's go back to the very beginning. It was snowing outside. And it wasn't supposed to be snowing today. It's supposed to be snowing tomorrow morning or later tonight. It was snowing in the afternoon. It was snowing quite hard. It was laying. I had to go to work in 2 hours. So I had battled through the snow, went through a stop sign, everything. And I stopped by a bank, cashed in some halves, got cash, went to my other bank later on my break, and cashed the cash in for halves. I call it halftime. And once I got the halves, I had enough time on my break to open up a roll and found a 1964 half. So, just get you a close-up of that really quick first. 1964. This one is a Philadelphia strike. Turn it over for you. This one's a pretty nice one too. It's in AU condition. It's pretty nice. And there's the beautiful 90% silver rim. 90%. So, anyway, got a total of $160 worth of halves. 16 rolls. Open one, now I still have 150 to go through. And yesterday, I went to that same bank I got the halves from. Always get the halves from. And I couldn't film that particular filming of me opening them, but found a lot of nice stuff there too. And here, let me show you some of the stuff I found yesterday. I brought it out for you. First, a 1964 silver dime. This one is Denver mint, I believe. A very high mintage. And the Denver mint right there. 90%. Then found 1966, 40%. Make it 2 of those. Yesterday. 2 1967s. Right there. 2 1969s. 2 of those. And let's see, I think that was what I found yesterday. I found 6 40%. 4 in one roll. So that was a pretty nice day yesterday, and including that silver dime. But I couldn't film it because the movie was long. There was a lot of things going wrong with it. So tonight I hope to entertain with some better filming of these roll openings. And so far as total, as the rolls have opened this week, let's see, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 silver halves I've found so far this week. 3 are 90%. And then we have the 40%, 6 of those. Now, including this 1964, we now have 4 90% silver halves. That's pretty nice. $8 a piece, pretty nice. For the 90%, I think it's about $3 a piece for the 40%. That's also very nice. So, we'll start opening these rolls here, and I'll show you what I find next. Alrighty? Alrighty then. Here we go. Start off with this roll right here. Has a beautiful bicentennial on the end. Very shiny. I noticed that lately I've been finding lots and lots of these brand new, beautiful looking coins. They're the ones that aren't supposed to be in circulation. From 2001 to present, 2001 to 2009 are not issued for circulation. And right here is a 2001. I've been finding a lot of these in pretty nice shape too. See if I can show you the date. You see the 1 and the O. Anyway, if you can't see it, I can... There we go. 2001. These are not meant for circulation. Found 2 of those today that I thought were nice enough to keep. One's 2002, one's 2001. So, open up this roll, see what goodies can be found. Alright, here we go. Pardon the background noise. I think my cat is chewing on my shoe. Alrighty, open this one up. Here we go, open it right in front of you so you can see what's gonna explode out of this roll. And what have we got? Oh, we got a whole bunch of bright orange halves. And that can only mean one thing. Non-issued half dollars. Ones that were not meant for circulation. It has to mean that. Because I bet it does. Because right here we're going to take a look and see what we found. Alright, here's a 1984. Lay that aside. And here is a 1999. We're getting close. Somebody must have dumped a whole tube of these brilliant uncirculated halves in there. There's a 1999. And it's coming up. It's coming up. Alright, I'll go ahead and skip to the brilliant orange ones. Here we go. See what I mean? Right here. We've got a 2002. That doesn't belong in circulation. That should be in a mint set. Yep. Somebody is not a big fan of collecting coins or something. Yep, 2002. Hang on to that. Actually has some premium value to it, so that's good. Very good. Alright. Let's see what other ones we have in here. And we've got a... Whoa, that's a beauty. Well, that's 1990. Let's see here. This one's a 2000. Yeah. Okay. But there's no silver in this one, so we'll skip on to the next roll. Yeah. I think we've got another nice roll here. Alright, let's continue the search. Open up for you. Gasp. Well, let's see what we've got so far. Nothing there. Okay. Open it up more. Yeah, well, what a shiny coin there. 74. Okay, lay that aside. Okay. Alright, this one does not contain silver either. So, with that being said, we'll move on to the next roll. Alright. Alright, next roll. I guarantee there's going to be more silver in these rolls. Some of them are extra heavy, it seems like. So, see what we've got. Ooh, this could be good. Could be very good, actually. Because there's a beautiful orange one. Well, we can't find silver. Let's find some rare dates. That'd be nice. Some non-issued dates. Like a... as I was saying, like a 2002. Right here. Pretty nice looking. Beautiful 2002. Yep. Another mistake by the mint. Not the mint, but the person that had these. So I'll hang on to that also. It's very nice. Set that aside. Okay, none of those, and that's the end of that. Next roll. We'll find some more silver. Oh, there's a 2001. Oh, look at these. Man, these things are loaded with error-issued coins. Wow. Phew. Let's see if there's any silver in this roll. Huh. Not finding silver. Finding some pretty nice dates, though. And they're all brilliantly uncirculated. Don't have to worry about anything being worn out. It's pretty good. Alright, let me get this one out. carefully so don't harm any of them. Oh, there's silver here. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Yeah. You know, see, man, silver's suddenly getting harder to find. Can't get that over there. 90. Ooh, lovely coin right there. And it's coming. There's the back of that coin. It's pretty nice. And there it fell out. It's not too bad, but it's got some pretty roughness on the front. Okay, well, I'm sorry about that. Here, let me show you the front. There we go. Yeah, just a little roughness on it, but we'll lay it aside for now. Do the judging of it later. Next roll. Alright. Could be some pretty decent stuff, so. Yeah, like this 1960 damage to the silver. Yeah. You'll find some $4 for $halves. Yeah, I'm sure that can be done. I've heard people finding 1900 coins before in bank rolls like these. And what have we here? Oh, silver. Bingo! Excellent. There you go. The time paid off. It looks like a 90%. So, we'll open it up and see what it is. Take off one coin at a time. And it is, oh right, a walk in liberty. There you go. Oh, I'm very happy with that. There you go. Walk in liberty. Hee hee. 1945. Yep. Let's take a look. It has a mint mark. Sheesh, what's going on with these things? They don't have mint marks. I want to find a 1938D key date. Same as there. No mint mark. So, hang on to that. Excuse my sluggish expression. I'm a little tired tonight. Oh, I've been up for 13 hours. Over 13 hours. So that's why I'm kind of tired and everything. But coins will wake me up. Coin searching's so soothing. Sometimes. Like right now, it's very soothing. So we'll skim through these, see if there's any special dates that I might have missed, or some 40%. Wow, that's a gorgeous 1998. Very nice. But there's so many of those. Alright, and that is the end of that. Alright, let's continue. Find some more silver, right? Alright, here's a nice heavy roll. Could be some silver in this. Oh, please let this thing be loaded with at least 90%. Oh, that'd be really nice. So let's find out. Oh, I think I see a silver coin. I think I see a 40%. Here, I'll unroll it for you. And I'll break it off where I think I see the silver coin at. Here. Right here. This one right here. I'm pretty sure it's silver. It's silver. 40%, 1965. Pretty happy with that also. There you go. It's 1965, 40%. The clad really shows up. You can see the clad there. But it's silver clad, so that's what makes it valuable. It's silver. Alright, lay that aside. Really racking up the $half, right? Very happy. Could be some more. So better open this real carefully. Could be some old silver in here too. Alright then. Let's see what else is in here. I think I see one more. Yep, I see another one. Yep, a 1968. Right here. Haha, pretty good. Man, this one's tarnished. Really bad. 68, 40% silver. That's very nice. $3. Woohoo! Just fell right out of the roll. Very good. This one's not too circulated. Set that right over there. So, 190% and 240%. We're doing pretty well. Okay. And I'm going to continue to go back to the bank over and over until I'm sure I've got them all. Alrighty then. I don't know how long it'll take, but yep, that's the fun part about it. Let's see, that's a copper. Alright, And that is the end of that. Next roll.